Hello everybody, my name is Dr. John and I'm back. So we're going to focus on the third way to lower your immune system. It's called anxiety. The anxiety is a killer of all. So let me explain to you why. But first and foremost, let me tell you who I am. My name is Dr. John Oda, author of 2 books. I wrote a parenting book, wrote also a book called Life's a Garden. I'm what you call as a global business expert. That means I work for companies globally. And I pretty much work with them on their sales and marketing, time management, whatever that takes place. My number one goal is to grow the company and to make it grow, whatever way that the person want to grow. Then, of course, I did clinical for 23 years. That means I worked full-time in the business for 23 years doing clinical psychology. My population was parents and teens. Then I worked 6 years working with the severely persistent mentally ill for about 6 years. Then, last but not least, I am a master trainer in NLP. I want to really give completely love to Dr. Will Horton. He helped me come up with all this educational stuff. So much love is to him, as well as the National Federation of NLP. So let me start the program right now. Anxiety. And let me explain to you why that it is completely the killer of most of them, right? And here's the reason why. What is anxiety? Right? So anxiety is when people worry about stuff, when people stress about stuff. Like people have anxiety about giving a public speech. They don't want to get up and give a speech. Why? They got freaking anxiety. Now, imagine the coronavirus right now, what's actually taking place with everything, right? Now, jobs is terrible because there's nobody working, right? We have 10 million people filed for unemployment in the last 2 weeks. And then you do everything else besides that, right? Then you have the economy shot, the stock market's going up and down, and people are going to worry. And here's what they do. They plant the seeds called worrying, right? And imagine, you take the thing called anxiety, you put it inside the plant, and it's in the ground. In my book called Life's a Garden is what seeds you're planting. Imagine you're planting anxiety. You plant in the ground. You put on water. You put on fertilizer. You sunshine it. And what people do is when they worry, they talk about it. Every time of that you complain, you're planting a seed. And of course, the seed's going to grow. And the seed's going to probably grow into anxiety. Because you imagine, when I used to work in mental health field, when people get anxiety attacks, oh my God, to calm them down, they were stressed about it over and over and over again. It's almost like they're playing the same pattern. So let me break down to you of how anxiety works. Now, imagine a CD. Now, if you guys are a little bit younger, you might not know what a CD is, right? But if so, talk to your mom and dad and show them, have them show you a CD. Now, imagine you taking a CD, right, and you playing it. And you play it in the place of song. It could be Michael Jackson or Prince. You know, guys, you know that I'm old school now. It could be Luther Vandross, right? Jodeci, whatever, right? And you're playing that song. And it plays beautiful, right? But you take that song, you take that CD and you stretch it. Stretch it upside down, stretch it, and play it, right? It doesn't play the same, right? Why? Because what we do is we just interrupt the pattern. For anxiety, for stress, for worry, for fear, whatever, you have to interrupt the pattern. If you don't interrupt the pattern, guess what takes place? It's going to take control of you. People are going to be paralyzed and not going to want to do anything. Why? Because they're worrying so much. But let me explain to you what anxiety do. Anxiety can trigger your fight or flight stress response. It can release floods of chemicals and hormones, like the adrenaline, into your system. This can weaken your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to viral infections and frequently illnesses. Now imagine, if it's going to make you more vulnerable to viral infections, now we have the coronavirus going on, it's a challenge. So what I would tell everybody, get over your anxiety. And you probably say, that's going to be easier said than done. Now, I would love if I had enough, at least another 30 minutes, I'd come up with a strategy to get over anxiety. But what I would tell you, if you guys need some help in anxiety, if you have all this completely stress and worrisome in the whole 9 yards, right? And you want to get over it, and you want to function as a human, and you want your kids, your coworkers, someone to model someone who's actually moving forward, give me a call. If you look at on below, it's going to be my number, contact information. My number one goal is to help you out. Now, if you tell me that you watched this video, I'll give you a great discount off, because my number one goal is to serve you in the highest way and to help you. Because I know for a fact about anxiety, and let me explain to you why. As a child, I had a severe stuttering problem, and I couldn't even speak. And I got so much anxiety, I couldn't even talk. Once I learned how to overcome it, once I actually interrupted my pattern, I could actually talk again. And I didn't have any anxiety. So again, I know for a fact what to do and how to do it and how to get over it. Guys, until next time, take care. We'll talk about the fourth way to lower your immune system the next time. Take care and God bless. Bye for now.